Let's go ahead and look at homework exercise number 6 from section 5.1. It says find the greatest common divisor of 30 and 42. Okay, so the greatest common divisor is a number that divides both of these evenly. That goes into both of these. Now notice 2 goes into both of these. 2 goes into 30, 2 goes into 42. So does 3, right? But another number that goes into both of these is 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and 42 divided by 6 is 7. So it appears that the greatest one is 6. Now, you can do this. You don't have to do trial and error. You can guess, and you can definitely get the answer by first doing the prime factorization. So the prime factorization of 30 is 5 times 6, and 6 is 2 times 3. So if we break it down, we get 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. 42, let's do 42. 42 is 6 times 7, and 6 is prime, and 6 is 2 times 3. So 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. Now, the greatest common divisor are the divisors that are common to both. So common to both is 2 and 3, and it is the smaller of the exponents. So this is 2 to the first and 2 to the first, so it's just a 2, and both of these are 3 to the first and 3 to the first, so it's just a 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6, which is what we got when we did it trial and error, okay? So this is how you find the greatest common divisor. Now, okay, let's go ahead and put this in. So we said our answer is 6, which is indeed correct. Now, you can also do this on the calculator, okay? Let me show you how to do it on the calculator. What you do is you go to the math key, all right, which is below the green alpha, and you go 1 over to numbers. So you go highlight numbers in your menu bar, and you scroll down. Use the down arrow key several times until you get to number 9, which is GCD. And then when you get to that, when you have that highlighted, hit enter, and you put in the 2 numbers separated by a comma. Comma is above the 7, and you don't even need the right paren key, but if you put it in, that's fine. And you hit enter, and you automatically get your GCD, which in this case is 6. So again, on the calculator, it is math, and then over the right arrow to highlight numbers, and then either you scroll down or you can hit number 9. You can save some time. So scroll down to number 9. If you go past, just scroll back up. Number 9, GCD, put in the 2 numbers, either order. Well, the first number, a comma, which is above the 7. And then the second number, and then hit enter. You don't even need the right paren, and you'll get your GCD, which is 6. Let's go to number 7, 84 and 36. Now again, we can use the calculator to do this problem, okay? So probably if you got your TI-83 or 84 calculator, you're going to use that. Now if you don't, you got to break it down to prime factors, right? 84 is 2 times 42. 42 is 2 times 21. 21 is 3 times 7, right? So we get 84 is equal to 2 squared times 3 times 7. 2 squared times 3 times 7. 36 is what? 6 times 6, which is 2 times 3, 2 times 3. Either if you did 4 times 9, you're going to be okay. It doesn't matter, because then you get 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. So you always get the same numbers eventually. So 36 is going to be 2 squared times 3 squared. Okay, now the greatest common divisor are the ones that are common to both, the divisors common to both, which are 2's and 3's, and it's the smaller of the exponent. So it's 2 squared and 3 to the first and 3 squared, so it's only 3 to the first because that's a smaller exponent. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So our GCD is equal to 12. Okay? So again, we can put that in, and that is our correct answer. And remember, on the calculator, it is what? Simply do the math. Over to numbers. Scroll down to number 9. GCD, hit enter. The first number, comma, the second number, and there's your answer. Okay, number 8, the greatest common divisor of 315 and 595. Okay, again, we can do it on our calculator. Go to math, go over to numbers, and then we scroll down to GCD, put in the first number, comma, the second number, hit enter, and the greatest common divisor of 315 and 595 is 35. The least common multiple of 132 and 99. Now, the least common multiple are the multiples of these two numbers. So it would be like 132 times 1, 132 times 2, and so on, which would be 264. And then it would be 99 times 1, which is 99, and so on. Now, that's a very inefficient way to do it. So but fortunately, we can do it using prime factorization, and we can also do it on the calculator. So for the prime factorization of 132, we have 2 times, I'm sorry, I'm thinking 2 times 66. 66 is 2 times 33. 33 is 3 times 11. Okay? So the prime factorization of 132 equals 2 squared times 3 times 11. 99 is 9 times 11. 11 is prime, 9 is 3 times 3, so 99 is 3 squared times 11. Now, the rule for the LCM, least common multiple, are you write all the different factors. So you take the 2, you take the 3, and you take the 11. Even if it only occurs in one of them, you count it. So 2 occurs in 132, we count it. 3 occurs in both, 11 occurs in both, and you take the larger exponent. So 2 squared and no 2, so we get 2 squared. 3 to the first and 3 squared, so we get 3 squared. 11 occurs once, so it's 11 to the first power. So then this would be on our calculator, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9 times 11. So it would be 4 times 9 times 11, which would be our least common multiple. So if we do that on the calculator, 4 times 9 times 11, 4 times 9 times 11, we get 396. Oops. So our least common multiple is 396. Now, on the calculator, you can do it very similar to the GCD. You go to the math key, and you highlight numbers, and this time you scroll down to number 8, which is LCM. Remember, we're finding the least common multiple. Hit enter, put in the first number, put in a comma, which is above the 7, put in the second number. You don't even need a right paren. Hit enter, and there's your answer, 396. Okay, the least common multiple of 126 and 54. Again, we can clear this out. We can go to math, do it on our calculator, go over to numbers, scroll down using the down arrow key to number 8. If you go past it, just go up. LCM of 126, comma 54, and we get 378. Okay, now again, if you don't have the calculator, you got to do a pencil and paper. 126 is 2 times 63. 63 is 9 times 7. 9 is 3 times 3. So 126 is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 7. 54 is 2 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So 27 is 2 times 3 cubed. So the LCM would be 1, 2, 3 cubed times 7. So 2 times 3 cubed times 7. Again, we're taking all of the different factors and we're taking the larger exponent. So 2 occurs once in each, 3 cubed is a larger, and 7 occurs once. So it's 2 times 3 cubed times 7. Okay, so again, we can do that on our calculator. 2 times 3 cubed times 7. Oops, I forgot to get out of the exponent. 2 times 3 cubed, get out of the exponent, times 7. And there's our correct answer, 378. Find the least common multiple of 240 and 310. Or 240 and 130. Again, we can go ahead and do math, numbers, and actually scroll down to number 8, LCM, and 240, comma 130, and we get 3,120. All right, this concludes this session. If you have any questions, email me at tswiersz@hodges.edu or call me at my office, 239-938-7805. Thank you.